how to transfer Pi from Binance to bitget wallet on PC. Now officially the Pi token is not listed yet on Binance, but in the future it may be listed. Now we show you how to transfer it if it's listed on Binance. Now for this example I will show you how to transfer it by using the USDT as an example. Now all of the tokens have the same method to transfer it from the platform to another wallet. Now let's get started. Now head over to your wallet and click on spot, and as you can see click on withdraw. Now in the search bar select the USDT. For this example this is our token. Now click on it. In the network, set it as the BIP20. Now open your bitget wallet, make sure to install it, the installation on your browser first, and make sure to log in to your wallet as you can see here. Now to get to withdrawal address of USDT, make sure to set the BNB chain as a network because it's set it here as the BNB smart chain. Now after that, search for your token. In this case, it will be USDT. Now click on it. Now to get the withdrawal address, click on receive, and now just copy the address from here and go back to your Binance account and paste it in the search box, in the address box, sorry. Now here you can type how much you want to transfer, and after that click on withdraw, and you will be able to receive your token in about a few minutes to a few hours on your bitget wallet. So this is how to transfer Pi from Binance to bitget wallet on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.